Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, and that is a 10 by 20 inch canvas that I have pre-primed with Mead and Black paint. You can find it on my Amazon link. It's the blackest black I know. I'm using Colour Arte products, Prizm pours, and Primary Elements. Prizm pours are pre-mixed, but you have to mix them with pouring medium. And the Primary Elements are pigment powders, and the same thing. I just did a painting. You know what? I need to start something in a different area. I need to grab my spatula and put a background color in. I'm going to do some Indian Spice Prizm pour along with that Chantilly Lace Prizm pour. And I want to put some Twilight Orchid in the bottom. And maybe a little at the top. Do I want some more gold in the bottom? I want some gold, but I want it to be Mayan gold. A darker color for the bottom. You know what? I liked the Midnight Shadow, another Prizm pour, in my last one, and I think I'm going to do it again. I think I'm knocking a little over the sides won't hurt anything. It does not matter what I'm doing now, other than I don't want to leave a lot of spatula marks. So hopefully I'll go back through. Well, maybe I'll get more interesting over time with my backgrounds. But it doesn't matter if they dry. I just like them to be shimmery. I am sort of leaving a black gap where I'm going to put my people, assuming all things go well. Alright, that goes in the bucket. Back to the Chantilly lace hand, which is basically being used as an underlayment. Trying to leave some gaps. I'd like it to be organic and not spaced evenly, but I'm very bad at doing that. I tend to want to organize things in a very even manner, but I'm going to keep trying anyway. Now it's time to put down my colors, and I mixed a couple colors last time that I want to use, starting with True Silver and a little bit of the Mayan gold that's right there. I don't think it's going to hurt me to put a little bit of gold everywhere. Anyway. Well, almost everywhere. Maybe not everywhere. But it's there if I need it. That was a Prizm pour. This is Blue Velvet, another Prizm pour. It's not coming out really fast. I'll have to leave that someplace I can clean the tip. like over here. Now I'm picking colors. Here's an Azure Moon. I believe it's a primary element. Gotta stop being so even. I love this ginger flower. Ginger peach. I keep calling it ginger flower, but it's ginger peach and it's a primary element. And a little drop here and there of something adds to the flavor. This is, like I said in the last video, for all intents and purposes, it's Tuscan Sun, but in reality it's Tuscan Sun added to Chantilly lace. I'm trying to pick and choose my colors. I didn't use any Orange Crush in my last video, so I might as well try some. Yes, I like that. I've got Carnival, which is a wonderful, my favorite maybe, maybe one of 100. It's my favorite primary element. Moving along, I have Snapdragon, which is a primary element. This is an awesome color. I'm going to use a little bit of Whispering Wind, which is a lovely pale blue. They're all shimmery. They're made with mica powder and wonderful, strong pigment powders. Pigments. I'm distracted. Ooh, shiny. One of my favorites is Sea Dancer. A little Cosmos, another primary element. And Cerulean Blue. I'm always saying that the Cerulean Blue is one of the top 10 colors. If I had to only pick like 5 colors, this would be among them. Cerulean Blue is the bomb. I may put a whole bunch more pink in here yet. And that would be the Ginger Flower. Yes, indeed it would. Let's just put it everywhere. Can't tell how much I like this, can you? Now I wanted some of this new, for me, Mermaid scales. So I think I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put it somewhere where I don't have anything. Mermaid scales and some green tea and some more Sea Dancer. Green tea, unusual color for me. Beautiful color. Another primary element. And the Sea Dancer. And maybe a little bit of Fandango. I think we need some Fandango. Yep, I was right. We do. I'm really tempted to add a little bit of Big Apple. Whoops. Because I didn't add any red in my last piece. Well, I might have added poinsettia, but I'm not sure. I added a lot of colors. Alright, so I have small acetate tools. Oh, there's that Midnight Shadow. Might as well add a little bit of that. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Now I've got Australian Floetrol mixed with a bunch of different paint colors. And I want to try this palette knife that I found. that looks like that. And I'm going to start out with some P.E.Bio iridescent gold dropped on top of it. I kind of want to move that out of the way, and I may want to move my brake so I can swing my painting sideways so I don't have to. I'm going to scrape that off. Wipe it off. Start again. I want to just put some of that black right in the... This time I'm going to use a little bit of white on top of it. And the gold. I may go back to my little acetate tools because they work so well. So I'm going to take my little acetate tool that has some paint on it still. Let's get that off. Because I can make much more curvaceous designs. Off. I have some white here somewhere. There we go. I found my white to dip into. I didn't do any white last time. I want to try some. Scrape. Go back to my larger acetate tool. I want to use the rest of that, but I don't want to make mud. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I'm not sure I have quite enough black paint. I will be doing, hopefully, hands and feet. My paint is getting a little thicker than I expected it to be. I don't know if it looks as much like people as it did last time, but I can't judge it too soon because you never know how things are going to turn out until the very end. I'm going to keep scraping it off, wiping it off. I'm going to dip it in, use some more gold. I might like a little iridescent blue-violet P.E.Bio too. Found I can use the colors I scrape off to add what might be considered arms and legs, but I'm not sure how this is going right yet. Because like I said, it's a little thicker. I don't know if I took longer. I gotta not worry about it yet. Got to give the cells a chance to develop too. Steal some paint if you need to. It'll still be cool, I can tell. The colors are awesome. Don't forget about that 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colour Arte. Check them out. The website is right there with the coupon code. I am an affiliate, so you will be helping me out. If you'd like to help the production of videos and the purchase of art supplies, please by all means make a donation through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Throw a few arms in the air. One more to go. Hopefully we can finish. Put a little white on this time. And a little gold. I want to take one of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. If I can find the one I want. It's a number 2. And use the butt end of it to put some feet in. And maybe even dab some legs about. Still a little paint here and there. Put a few spirals in maybe. Let's give them a hand. And a head. I want to put some hair on this time. I was a little worried that something looked like Quasimodo last time. Looks like I need some fresh paint before I run out of time. That was convenient. That just happened. I'm trying to make it as if there are layers of people at this gathering. I don't know how well that's working. I have 1 minute left. Tell you, please share my videos. I do sell my artwork. If you'd be interested in helping me out, watch longer. Leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate all that you do. If you'd like to shop, check out my link tree. Below show more. You can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. You can also find Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, Le Gallerist, Clothing Made in Montreal. And I might be doing a little bit of work to this. I'd like to be able to show you guys right now before you're gone the shimmer, and I might not make it. I hope I do. I just closed it. What a silly girl. I need to get up there and you're gonna be gone. I'm